Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make brick jail food. First, gather your ingredients, which typically include items like ramen noodles, crushed chips, and processed meat. The goal is to create a highly compact and calorie-dense meal. This method is often used in environments with restricted access to cooking tools and diverse food options. It's a resourceful way to prepare a substantial meal. To begin, you'll need a base like instant ramen noodles, crushed into small pieces. Next, incorporate other items such as potato chips, cheese puffs, or even crushed cookies for added flavor and calories. Canned tuna, mackerel, or processed meat sticks are excellent protein sources. Mix everything thoroughly in a sturdy bag or container, ensuring a consistent texture before adding liquid. Once your mixture is ready, transfer it into a clean, durable bag or a mold. Press down very firmly, removing as much air as possible to create a dense block. You can use a heavy book or another flat object to apply continuous pressure for at least 2 to 3 hours. This compression is crucial for the brick to hold its shape and become truly solid. You can personalize your brick by adding seasonings like pepper, garlic powder, or a dash of hot sauce for extra flavor. Feel free to experiment with various combinations of chips, snacks, and protein sources to discover your favorite recipe. This method is incredibly versatile for creating a satisfying meal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.